Welcome. Today we are looking at map work. Kindly get the map of Mumias from your geography teacher, or also you can get from your school library, and tackle the following questions. In case you have any question, feel free to write on the comment section and I'm going to tackle them for you. Question 6A1. What type of map is Mumia's map extract? Topographical map. Give the magnetic declination of the map at 1965. 3. Identify any two districts covered by the map. Busia district, Kakamega, Bungoma, Siaya. Question 6B. 1. Name two human-made features found in the grid square. School, settlement, main tracks, the tracks and footpaths. Question 6B2. What is the bearing of Bumula Dam from the trigonometrical station? Other, found in the northern part of the map. That is the bearing. Measure the length of the dry weather road found in northern western part of the area covered by the map. Question 6C. Using the scale of 1 centimeter to represent 20 meters, draw a cross-section from the grid reference. On the cross-section, mark name, River Lusimo, Woodland, all-weather road. Question 6.3. Calculate the vertical exaggeration of the cross-section. That's how you calculate it. Question 6D1. Identify two social services offered in the area covered by the map. We have education, medical services, religious. Question 6D2. Describe the drainage of the area covered by the map. There are many permanent rivers in the area. The main river is Nzoia. Rivers flow from northeast to southwest. There are disappearing rivers. There are seasonal swamps. There are dams in the area. Rivers from dendritic drainage pattern. Did you understand? Kindly let me know in the comment section. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.